Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to sync or link the goldfarm.io on the Coinbase wallet. So how to link the two of them up so you can do some cryptocurrency farming, particularly for Shibnobi. Now to do this, all you have to do is to go to your Coinbase wallet. It should look like this. Make sure that you are on the coins tab and not the NFTs tab. Be on the coins tab right there. Look below. You can see some 4 boxes here at the center. Click right there. And then click on the browsing tab up on the Coinbase wallet. You can see there's a browsing tab right up there. Click right there. And then you type in goldfarm.io. Type there and search. It takes you to the goldfarm.io website, which looks like this. So in a few seconds the website loads. It's still loading at the moment. And then now it's loaded. You click right where it says get started. Click right there. Then leads you to this part of the website. And then you have to scroll down on the website. Scroll down. And then you can see Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and enter website. You click on enter website, the third option. And then it synchronizes goldfarm.io website on the Coinbase wallet. So at this point you have linked up the goldfarm.io on the Coinbase wallet, and then you can do your cryptocurrency farming at this point. So that's how to link them up. And yeah, that's it on this video. It's quite a short video. Let me know if you like the video. If you do, please click on like, and we can make more videos. If you have any other videos that you'd like to see, let me know, and I'll show you how to do a few things on these wallets here and there. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.